This is the Hammarlund HQ-120. It does not say X on it, but it does have the crystal filter, which signifies the Model X. So whether it's been added later or the factory did it without marking the radio, then that's beside the point, I suppose. But anyway,
I have never heard.
We're on the AM band with a vertical antenna outside. I'm using a 8-ohm speaker plugged into the headphone jack. In the back there's provision for attaching speakers. This does not come with a speaker or antenna. You can see the S meter works good.
Doesn't discourage me at all. I mean,
move down here. I cleaned all the band switches. They're pretty dirty.
Click on the link at davejanda.com.
There's the S meter working good again. The single 6v6 really has nice audio. You want to have the RF or the sensitivity all the way up, and then the automatic voice control here. Otherwise the S meter doesn't work. That's common in all radios though. Nice example of a pre-war Hammarlund HQ-120. The HQ-129X came out after the war, but it really copied this one pretty much all along. The knobs are all original.